Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study new chapter in science, that is chapter 12, air. Earlier to this we have completed water and we have done the exercise of this chapter. Now we will discuss about air. So students, this is a very important chapter from our social point of view also. So let's start this. So in this chapter we have to study these topics. Here you can see, firstly we have to discuss about air, that is what is air. Then we have to discuss about percent composition of air, that is what are the components which air have and in how many percentage they are present in air. Then we have to study about formation of oxygen, that how oxygen is formed by laboratory method, by chemical method. So this we have to study. Then we have to discuss about causes of air pollution, that how air pollution is caused, their factors due to which the air is getting polluted. Then we have to discuss about effect of polluted air, that what is the effect of polluted air, how they affect organisms life, like plants and animals. Then we have to discuss about use of components of air, that where the components are used. So all these you can study clearly step by step. So firstly we will discuss about air, that what is air. So before coming to this, that what is air, we must know what is atmosphere. So student, earth is surrounded by a covering of air. Our earth is surrounded by a covering of air, okay, which is called atmosphere. So the covering of air from which we surround is called as atmosphere. This is important to know. Now student, life is impossible without air on earth. You know that life is impossible without air, because from air we get oxygen, and there are many more gases which are useful to some extent, especially oxygen. There is nitrogen gas also, there is carbon dioxide also, there are water vapors. So these are different gases which are present in air, which we will discuss later about each of them. Firstly, let us discuss what is the definition of air. What is air? So student, air is a mixture of gases. What it is called? It is called as mixture of gases, okay, and water vapor and minute particles. So there are three components, that is air is a mixture of gases, that there may be gases, and here I have written also the gases, that is oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, etc. So it is a mixture of gases. And what else? Water vapor. Water vapor you all know, that is H2O's vapor, that is in vapor state. And at last the component, that is dust particles. There are some small particles or solid particles in air present. You can see whenever a light come in your room, when you will look at the light or beam of light, you will see that there are some particles which show Brownian movement or Tyndall movement, that is they just fluctuate here and there. So that is what are some solid particles or dust particles. So students, today we have discussed about what is air, the topics which we have to discuss in this chapter, what is atmosphere, and the components of air. From here you are not very clear about air, but when gradually you will read each topic, then you will come to know about air clearly. But basically remember this point, the main thing, that is air is a mixture of gases. Why we are saying it mixture? Because you know what are elements and compound, there is a fixed formula for that, but air doesn't have any formula, okay. As you know, water, so H2O has a formula. We know there is 2 portion of hydrogen and 1 portion of oxygen. If it is carbon dioxide, we know that there is 1 portion of carbon and 2 portion of oxygen. But in case of air, it is not uniform, that it is uniform. It is not fixed that what is its formula, or we cannot say that here at this area this much amount of air is there. We cannot calculate it, as if there are some apparatus to which we can calculate humidity, the moisture content, but we cannot calculate area of any air present in any region. Okay, so you have to just focus what is air. Air is a mixture of gases. And what are the components of air? So the components of air are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, water vapor, and dust particles. You can recall, we have studied in class 6 through a pie chart that there was a circle, and it was shown that about 70% is nitrogen, 71% almost, 21% is surrounded by oxygen, 21% is surrounded by oxygen, 78% is surrounded by nitrogen. Then there are other gases like 0.04% of carbon dioxide or 0.01% of water vapor. So these are some data which we have studied earlier in class 6. If you will say, then again I will show you the data. And so this is all about today's lecture, that is air. And what is air? Air is a mixture of gases, some water vapors, and dust particles. Thank you, class.